I wish you a wonderful day and welcome you to my channel, which is dedicated to massage, various release techniques, and everything related to them. Facial massage is one of the most beautiful massage techniques. It can be performed on its own or used to enrich other massage treatments. It offers not only excellent cosmetic benefits, but most importantly, it has a deep effect on mental relaxation. Its main benefit lies in its positive influence on the human mind. Clients often enter an alpha state during the massage, allowing them to fully relax and unwind. Join me and experience it for yourself. Massage should not be chaotic. However, it is not necessary to perform it the same way every time. Such a massage could soon become boring for you. And not only for you, but also for your clients who come for regular sessions. Allow yourself to be a little more creative. Combine individual techniques with each other, return to them, and observe during the massage which techniques your client responds to positively. Do not be afraid to improve and refine your work. Massage oils for this type of massage must be chosen very carefully because the face is much more sensitive than other parts of the body. At the beginning, it is especially important to mention the oils that must not be used for this massage under any circumstances. Oils that are not suitable. Paraffin oil. This oil is too greasy and clogs the pores. It is a petroleum-based product that should not be used for massage at all. A relatively large number of people are allergic to it. This also applies to massage emulsions that contain paraffin, which are completely unsuitable for facial massage. Among other unsuitable oils, we can include all citrus oils, mainly because they increase sensitivity to sunlight. The following oils are also not suitable. Juniper oil. It increases blood circulation, and cinnamon oil. Among oils that dry out the skin, sunflower oil and coconut oil should also be avoided. Oils suitable for facial massage. In this category, we come to oils that you can use without concern. Apricot kernel oil. This is a unique oil obtained from apricot kernels. It is very gentle, softening, and suitable for sensitive skin. Its slight disadvantage is the price, as it belongs to the more expensive oils. So far, I have not encountered any allergic reactions to it. Plum kernel oil. Another excellent oil with a very pleasant scent. It absorbs very well and does not leave a greasy film on the skin after the massage. Poppy seed oil. An oil with a pleasant scent and exceptional effects on the skin. It soothes the skin and increases its elasticity. If the client desires firm and tightened skin, there is no better oil. Rose oil, another popular oil used for facial massage. It has very positive effects on the skin, calms the mind, and is said to transform negative energy into positive energy. Whatever the case, rose oils belong among the most sought-after oils for this type of massage and will continue to do so. Unfortunately, they also rank among the most expensive oils available. Argan oil. You definitely cannot go wrong with this oil. It is very commonly used for this type of massage. It helps treat fine wrinkles, protects the skin from adverse weather conditions, and provides excellent nourishment for the lips, nails, and nail beds. In addition, it softens the hands, which is great news for massage therapists. It does not belong among the cheaper oils, but since only a very small amount is needed for the massage, there is nothing to worry about. Grapeseed oil. This oil belongs among the reliable classics that you can safely use. It softens the skin and has effects similar to apricot kernel oil. However, it stands out for its significantly lower price. Almond oil. Almond oil has been used for this type of massage since ancient times. It is popular for its softening properties. However, caution is advised, as allergic reactions may occasionally occur. It should also not be used for people who suffer from frequent headaches or migraines. If you are not sure whether your client has an allergic reaction to a specific oil, it is always better to perform a so-called tolerance test. Simply apply a small amount of oil to the wrist where the skin is very sensitive and wait for a short while. If the oil is not suitable for the client, a reaction will usually appear at this spot fairly quickly. Contraindications for massage include oncological diseases, inflammatory processes, hypersensitivity to specific types of oils, increased thyroid function, viral infections, clients under the influence of alcohol. If you enjoy these videos and find them helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. I have many interesting topics planned for you, so you won't miss any of them. Thank you. So you don't miss any future videos, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.